Hello Hungry Fam, I'm Akansha and welcome to our channel. Since Holi is just around the corner, I planned on doing a colorful video. A lot of you requested me to make rainbow food for 24 hours challenge, and in that you wanted me to bake a rainbow cake, but I tried a lot to do it without artificial colors and I failed miserably. So I'm not going to do the 24-hour challenge since I didn't want to cheat and use artificial colors. नहीं तो चैलेंज का मतलब ही नहीं बनता था. But still, let me know if you want me to try this challenge using artificial colors. I would love to do it. So now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. For the batter of half kg, add 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup curd, and whisk it together till the sugar dissolves. To that, add half cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix all the wet ingredients together. Now for the dry ingredients, add 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. I'm passing it through a sieve so that the batter remains airy and lump-free. Now add half teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Sieve that as well. Fold the dry ingredients in and do not overmix the batter. Now I'm going to weigh the batter because I'm not making the regular layered rainbow cake, as I feel not everyone has 6 to 7 different cake tins. मेरे पास भी नहीं है तो जुगाड़ तो बनता है. So yes, I'm going to make one pan rainbow cake. Divide this batter into 6 equal parts. Actually 7, but I couldn't get the violet color, so I'll count white frosting as one of the 7 colors. The total weight of the batter was 570, so one part will be approximately 94 to 95 grams each. Now I'm adding colors into the separated batter. Mix the colors in. Use different spoons or spatulas to mix, or else the colors will get mixed. Grease any shaped cake tin and line it with a baking paper. Now the fun part. Add the colored batter in order, that is in Vibgyor order. Before adding the next color, tap the tin so that it spreads out evenly. Also, make sure the batter you're using is a bit thick. If you use a thin batter, the colors will get mixed and form a brownish black colored cake, which is not appealing at all. It already looks so bright and vibrant. Bake it in a preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Till then, let's make the frosting. I'm making buttercream. You can also use normal whipped cream. Add 200 grams of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Mix it first with a spoon or a hand whisk. Then whip it with a beater until it's nice and fluffy. Now add 1 tablespoon cream cheese and whip again until stiff peak. You can skip this step, but I really like the cream cheese flavor as it balances out all the sweetness. The cake looks well risen. Let it cool down completely. After cooling it down, the color looks a bit dull on the surface, but anyways we'll trim it off. Remove it from the mold. Don't forget to remove the baking paper as well. Now add sugar syrup. I'm not giving the cake any layers. If you want to see the layering and crumb coating in detail, I'll link it down below. Quickly, I'm going to crumb coat on a beautiful cake with a cream cheese frosting. Crumb coat the sides as well and chill it for at least 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Now let's frost the final coating. Even it out from all the sides. On top, I'm going to add colored sprinklers. You can decorate it however you want. I just showed you a very easy way. In the same frosting, I added the blue color, which will resemble the sky. Pipe it on the base to give a complete look. Our beautiful cake is ready. chill it for more 5 minutes and then you can enjoy it right away. Now for our final results, let's cut and see what's inside. Wow, that looks so pretty. But I messed up a bit. The cake should have been upside down, that is ulta, so that it would actually look like a rainbow. Now it's an inverted rainbow, but it's fine. I'll rectify it next time. I can't wait to taste it. The taste is as beautiful as it looks. It is super moist and perfectly sweet. You should definitely give this cake a try. At least not with colors, then try the vanilla sponge. It is so good. It's super easy. You will definitely love it. I guess this is the best cake I've ever baked. So definitely try this recipe and let me know your feedback. Today's shout out goes to Chetna Panda, Ishika Indie and all-in-one channel who is Shrishti. If you want to shout out, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.